Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Techgem, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're going to dive into the world of laptops, specifically the top 5 best coding laptops under $50K. So, if you're a coder on a budget, this video is for you. Our first gem is the Acer SwiftGo 14. This laptop is as swift as its name suggests, thanks to the AMD Ryzen 5 processor. With 8GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, it's perfect for all your coding needs. And guess what? It weighs just 1.25 kilograms, so you can code on the go. The price? A cool 49,990 rupees. Next up, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Don't let the gaming in the name fool you. This laptop is a beast when it comes to coding. It's powered by a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and comes with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB HDD plus 1TB HDD. And it's priced at 47,990 rupees. Now that's what I call a steal. The Asus VivoBook 16X is a powerhouse with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor and a whopping 16GB of RAM. It also has a 512GB SSD and a 50-watt battery to keep you coding for hours. And it's priced at 46,990 rupees. Now, that's a lot of power for under 50K. The MSI Modern 14 is a modern marvel with a Ryzen 5-7530U processor. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's perfect for coding. And the best part? It's priced under 50K. Last but not least, we have the Asus VivoBook Go 15 OLED. This laptop is a coder's dream with a Ryzen 3-7320U processor. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's priced under 50K. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 best coding laptops under 50K. Remember, a good laptop is an investment in your coding future. So choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techgem for more tech content. Until next time, keep shining, Tech Gems.